Oh yeah, $378. Amazing. Yes, $672. Hi darlings, this is Emma and welcome on another episode of my fascinating trading journey on Pocket Option. I have a really strong feeling that today's session is going to be simply wonderful. And why don't we find it out together, shall we? All right, so excited. Let's go for it. First of all, candles and one for the time frame, and then we're gonna need my superheroes of the day. Moving averages, Williams percentage range. I'm gonna need the zigzag right there and fractal. And I'm gonna start with $100. That's a great amount. Hello, Benjamin Franklin. I'm gonna leave the rest for the insurance just in case. And well, you see what happened. The price sharply pulled back from the upper boundary of the downtrend channel with the selling pressure appearing right at the resistance. And we are also exiting the overbought territory on the Williams percentage range. So that is going to be a put option. Let's go down and let's wait for that drop, because let me tell you, it's happening. Definitely. And if you wanna truly level up your trading game, you gotta do just one thing. Make sure you join my VIP Telegram channel, the link to which you will find below this video, because that is the place where I share everything I know and learn about trading with you. So you can get the same results every time you trade. $183. Great start, great journey. Okay, love it. I promise you, no regrets. $384. Amazing. Just amazing. Just like that. Love it. And next move. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna keep the same bid, and you see the price bounced from the lower channel boundary and the buyers now entered, breaking through the moving averages and attempting further upward movement. And Williams is confirming there is more room to go. So that is going to be a call option, only up and up from here. Let's do it. Let's do it and let's enjoy it. Oh yeah, $378. That's no mystery. Trading is no mystery if you know what you are doing. All right, next pair. I think this one is good. Let's see. And 350 for this one bid, because I want to get it up. And I'm gonna do it. All right, guys, very interesting situation here. You see, so the asset is in the sideways range, but there is a rebound from the bottom of the channel, confirmed by fractal support. There is room for growth according to the oscillator, and we're gonna cautiously open a call option to close the session on the high note. And I think we're gonna have enough time, just enough time to get the profit and get the hell out of here, because it's really nice outside. I'm gonna meet my friends later today, go for a nice stroll, maybe karaoke. God knows, I'm really unpredictable, spontaneous sometimes, but it's good. Yes, $672, isn't it? Freaking amazing. Darlings, I don't know what to tell you. If you're with me, you're gonna be successful. That's one thing I can say. because I started with $160. I even left some for the insurance, so basically 100, and I got almost 1,200 bucks within this sweetest session. And if you want to get the same results every time you trade, you gotta join me in my VIP Telegram channel. The link is below this video, and you will find everything you need to take your trading game to the next level. Unique signals, powerful insights, and pro trading tips to get you right there. I think that's a good one. Let's increase the bid to $145, and let's go right away. You see the price failed to hold above the moving averages, and it's now rolling over. There is room to fall on the Williams percentage range, and the overall trend as shown by the zigzag is bearish. So we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down, darlings. Let's wait for that drop, because it's happening. I'm telling you, it is happening. Ooh, $278.40. Amazing. Simply amazing. Right on track. Okay, let's get the next pair. Wow. I think it's a great one. I'm gonna keep the same bid as before, and look, the price is breaking above the moving averages, and there is a large upward potential according to Williams percentage range. So I'm gonna open a call option here. Let's do it. $278.40. That is also really fun. Lovely. And next decision. What's it gonna be? Okay, I'm gonna place 200 for this next one, and let's go right away. You see the very strong downtrend is in progress, and I'm not gonna go against it. I'm gonna enter a put option here because all the indicators point lower. But we gotta be cautious here because the oscillator showed the oversold conditions. I mean, I finger crossed, hope that we do have enough time. Darlings, and if you wanna read the market every time and read it precisely, you gotta join me in my VIP Telegram channel. You will find the link below this video. And honestly, I've got so much great feedback from my subscribers that it's a life-changing channel. And I'm really proud of what I did. So you gotta really enjoy it. So thank you for watching. I cannot wait to see you here really, really soon, and stay awesome.